Good morning, students. Uh, Today, again, I will upload one revision test question because probably you all have not watched the previous video minutely. Okay, on that video, I asked you all to open the worksheet, and there you are going to get a link, and you need to open that link and you need to answer the question, or rather you need to take your test, revision test. But as I felt that you all are much habituated to open the files sometime, means in a different time, but not according to the time it is said in school timetable. You do not follow the classes according to school timetable. That is quite clear. It's not a case of everyone, obviously. I found a few students, yes, 8 or 10 maybe, such students, those who follow school timetable properly. I appreciate them, and you all are doing a great job, and you need to keep it up because I appreciate you all. But rest who are not following the classes according to the timetable, see, this is the first time, and this opportunity you are going to get for the last time probably. What you need to do now onwards, you need to be a bit more cautious, a bit more careful, so that you do not miss a single chance. It's not necessary that all the time this thing will happen. So since I got many of your mails where you all have requested, so for that reason, as the mistake is first time done from your end, so I have considered today. Now what you all have to do, I will not take much time because you need to take your revision test today. So what you all need to do is, you need to open the worksheet. There you are going to get a link. You need to click on that link, and then you need to answer those questions. Those questions are very important. Along with that, as you all have taken your mock test and unit test, the time is already set over there. So after 1:10 you cannot send your answers. So try to complete it within 1:10, whereas you need to start sharp at 12:40, because I'm going to take 12:35 or 12:40. Now you need to, what you need to do, you need to complete the, do not get panic stricken. You are getting enough time. You are having 40 marks half yearly question paper, whereas your revision test is of 20 marks. So those questions are important, so you need to complete those tasks as soon as possible. I told many of you to follow all the classes according to the time provided by school or set by school. So now onwards you need to follow that, otherwise you are going to miss many things. Okay, so what you need to do is to open the worksheet. There you are going to get a link. You need to open the link. You need to click on that link. One Google form you will get, that is actually a question paper. Some of you have asked, there is some problem in the link. There is nothing, no problem in the link. Actually, as I told, as it's exam, so time is already set. So when the time is over, automatically the link will not work. There is nothing else. So please do it fast. I was about to discuss those answers today. Though all the answers are known to you all, we had practiced, but since many of you could not answer, could not take your test at all, so once again I give, means I got only 8 or 9 responses from you all. That means those students only, they follow classes properly. So I thought to provide a second chance. So please do that, and those who have already taken, those students, I want all of you to match the answers, because those answers you have already got. For rules and regulations, you have got study material. You need to go through them, and you need to check your you all have got already one copy and I have got also. So it now you need to check whether you all have done rightly or not. If you have any kind of query or doubt, you can contact me. Apart from this, you need to prepare voice change. You need to practice them for your half yearly exam. So I will not take much time. Just hurry up and do the task. Thank you. Best of luck.